Jama, son of Ndaba. Jama is not deceived to the slightest extent. Even on the point of a spear, he can be at ease. Even on the branches, he can hold tight. He who was solid like a rock of Zihlalo, which could be commanded by those who carry barbed spears, while we of the broad-bladed spears could save ourselves by inspirer of our people at Zwangendaba, who inspired me as the cattle went out to graze at midday, who made bitter the aloe of Mahoko, who made glad the trifle of Ncinci, he who chewed with his mouth when he had nothing to chew, as if he were the son of Chua of the scraper's clan. Jama was not praised by the great narrators, he was praised by the youth of Mqekwini and by the young men of Mapuleni, he whose sheep were angry and refused to cross, whereas 6 of them could splash through, the lily that grew several little heads, and they that went with determination did not pull it up, the fount of cunning of our place at Sidlozi, that digs a small hole and hides in it.